Now, we who believe in the deity of Christ and have entrusted our lives from him may feel uncomfortable with these verses that show the finitude and physical and mental limitations of Jesus and the way in which he grew during his lifetime. The affirmation of the humanity of Jesus may make us squirm in discomfort. But in fact, the affirmation that Jesus was truly human is essential to Christian doctrine. Indeed, in 1 John chapter 4, verses 1 to 3, we're told that if you do not affirm the true humanity of Christ, you are a heretic. So that this is essential to the doctrine of the person of Christ, just as much as his deity. 1 John chapter 4, verses 1 to 3. Beloved, do not believe every spirit, but test the spirits to see whether they are of God. For many false prophets have gone out into the world. By this you know the Spirit of God. Every spirit which confesses that Jesus Christ has come in the flesh is of God, and every spirit which does not confess Jesus is not of God. This is the spirit of Antichrist, of which you have heard that it was coming, and now it is in the world already. So here, John emphasizes that it is essential to the doctrine of Christ to affirm that he has come in the flesh, the true humanity of Jesus. And this is not a mere appearance, as the heretics claimed. This is a real and genuine incarnation of Christ in human flesh. So, essential to the doctrine of the person of Christ is the affirmation of both his true deity as well as his true humanity.